Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Thank you for being with us. Time for our little medical tip, as always. A recipe for nasal congestion. This recipe is for treating a runny nose and sinusitis, not just easing the symptoms of a cold itself. What ingredients do we need? 1 lemon, 1 medium-sized onion, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 cups of water. Boil the water and chop the onion into small pieces, about 15 millimeters each. Toss the onion rings into the boiling water for 15 minutes. Then turn off the heat and let our mixture steep for 5 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and stir well until it's completely dissolved. Right before drinking it, squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. Drink 1 tablespoon of this 2 to 3 times a day. You can store this tea for a maximum of 2 days. But trust me, that's more than enough time to clear up your congestion. It'll definitely go away within a few hours. Or a day at the most. Thanks for watching. Stay with us. Subscribe to our channel.